Hi, this is Kyle at the Bee and Bear Homestead. I'm going to give you a tour of our chicken coop as it stands currently. We're going to see the door opening system, the feeding system, the fencing outside, gate, and the roof, and anything we can show you real quick. Yeah, nailed it.
Okay.
Are you filming? Let's go inside. Come on. Scoop, come on, scoop, 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 scoop. So here we've got the feeder. This is 4-inch PVC pipe. It's not Schedule 40. It's cheaper, thinner, but it works. The height determines how much food gets stored in here. This should be a couple of weeks worth of food if I filled it all the way to the top. It drains downward into this 45-degree bend and then a 90-degree bend. And then this fixture is for attaching gutters, I believe. But they can get their heads in there, reach in all the way to the bottom. And then they don't spill out very much food, so we don't get much waste, hopefully. Just pop a cap off. Put a couple dozen of those in there. Birds, man. So all of this put together, you could build yourself for probably around 30 bucks or less. The sewer pipe maybe costs 10 or 12 bucks. The joints all together, maybe another 15 or something, maybe less. And you need a hacksaw. Then I also use some plastic strapping. You could use a lot of different things to attach it to a wall. You could have it go through a wall if you wanted to. Lots of ways you could imagine this. All right, so next we got the water. Currently, we just have a 5-gallon bucket with a screw-on lid to keep everything clean in there, which right now seems like a good addition. And then these watering things are should be fairly good at not wasting a lot of water. You have to press in or pull up the little yellow thing, and then it lets water out from inside the bucket. Bought these at a Tractor Supply company for like $7 for 2, something like that. And the screw-on lid, big box store for 7 or 10 bucks. And here is the chicken door opener. It's an automatic reel that winds up and down, and it's set to a timer mounted up here next to the ceiling. In the morning, around sun up, whatever I set it for, 7 o'clock-ish, it'll open, and then at night, around 8 o'clock probably, it'll close. And see that in action. See that in action. And then opening it again. And I think I need to rebuild the door with a lighter weight material. It's pretty heavy right now. I want to make sure that the mechanism doesn't bog down. And these runners are falling apart, but that's tomorrow. And this is our starter chicken run. It's 10 foot by 20 foot, something like that. And the bottom of it is 2x4 welded wire up to about 3 or 4 feet. And then above that, some extra wire that we had from fences we took down. The posts are just T-posts with either a 2x2 or a 2x3 strapped onto it. And then anything else was wound on with heavier gauge wire and furring strips tied along the top. And then deer netting strung over the top of that and stapled in place. The deer netting might not last very long. If it proves it doesn't, we'll just put chicken wire across the top. And then the door is suspended by actual 4x4s in a little bit of cement to hold them in place. Give me some kind of cue to let me know you're filming too. Okay. But you're still going? All right. I hope you enjoyed seeing this tour of some of our homemade chicken coop additions. If you have any questions about how they were built, just leave a comment below and we'll get back to you. Thanks.